On the big screen, but you couldn't feel me when I was a little fiend. Young, dumb, and out of luck of what I could be. Never rapping from T, cause he ain't the hood, see. I'm a young star blowing up the rap scene, and the models flashing while I'm blowing fast green. Bunch of niggas asking how you get the smashing. All the instrumentals that they show me and I'm grasping. I'm the baddest up and coming nigga, ain't I? Cause when they blowing, it's like if you watching paint dry. All the late nights I spent in the studio got me feeling old, so I always kept the goodies roll. Yeah. So break it down till it's all sand. I'm not a big fan of them Ray-Bans, so I keep my eyes low for the whole world. Pro Drizzy flow, go show what you on, girl. Now we on the rise like LeBron's hairline. Shout my nigga Richard, cause I got a spare rhyme. And the moment that I see my name up on the headlines, I'ma grind with the shine, never knew a bedtime. See me now, but I've been a man with a plan, and I know that I can't, so don't look down, cause I never fall, waiting on a call. See me now, but I've been a man with a plan, and I know that I can't, so don't look down, cause I never fall, waiting on a call. I never fall cause I'm hanging on the edge, slipping on the ledge, trying to fit in like a wedge. But to really get ahead, I just gotta go hard. No holds barred till I got a black card. Motherfucker act hard, but it's all low key, cause even real niggas in the hood know me.